Hey, I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing. We help carpet cleaners win more customers. Today I want to talk with you about why carpet cleaners should post on Google My Business and Facebook on a regular basis, weekly if possible. There's three big reasons. The number one reason is that you want to prove to Google and Facebook that you're a real business and not a spammer. There are a lot of spam profiles being created on Google My Business and Facebook all the time, and they're trying to get rid of them as quickly as they can. The easiest way to prove that you're a real business is by posting on a regular basis. As an added bonus, if you're posting and you're more active than your competitors are, this could actually help you rank higher on Google and help you win more customers. The number two reason is that you want to prove to your customers that you're a real person and a real business in their community. Your customers don't want to do business with somebody 1,000 miles away from them sitting in a corporate office park. They want to do business with a real company that's down the street and serving customers in their community. If you're posting on a regular basis, it will help show your local customers that you're a real local business. And the number three reason is that you want to prove you're still open. 2020 is a great example of this. But carpet cleaning companies start up every year, and a lot of carpet cleaning companies close down every year. So if you want to prove to your customers that you're a real business who's still open and still serving customers, be posting on a regular basis. I know if I find a Facebook page for a local business and they haven't posted in 6 months, the first thing I think is, I wonder if this company is even still in business. So what kind of things should you post on social media as a carpet cleaner? Here's a couple of really simple ideas. You could post before and after pictures. You could also post testimonials. You could post specials like your 3-room special. And you could also post holiday and seasonal messaging. So how do you make it easy enough to post that you can do this on a weekly or even a daily basis? The simplest way I've found is to create a marketing message for each day of the week that you want to post on. So for instance, if you want to post on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, you could post your special on Monday. On Tuesday, you could post a testimonial, and on Thursday, you post a before and after pic. That way you always know what to post on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and you've got 3 weekly posts going out every single week. As an added bonus tip, you should also carry your cell phone with you every time you're working on the job and take pictures every day. Always be taking new before and after pictures and pictures of anything you're doing at work. That way you've always got a phone full of pictures that you can use for your social media posts. Do you want to know the one thing that you need to include in every social media post? Go to gosearchparty.com/social media guide. We're going to teach you exactly how to post on Google My Business and Facebook. And as an added bonus, we even include 40 free posts that you can use for your carpet cleaning business. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.